Do you love all things wellness? Do you want to feel and look your best naturally? If so, then this channel is for you. Hey there, I'm a health and wellness blogger, and I'm so glad you're here today. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite products, Magnesium Spray. And I'm also going to show you how to make an amazing DIY magnesium lotion. This video is sponsored by a company. All opinions are my own. First, I want to explain what magnesium spray is and why it's awesome. Then I'm going to show you some of my favorite ways to use it. And lastly, we're going to get into that recipe. So let's get started. I like to use a high-quality magnesium spray, and I like to apply it 2-3 times per day. One of my favorite ways to use magnesium spray is to apply it to my legs and arms after a workout. After a tough workout, our muscles can feel tight and sore. Applying magnesium spray to the affected areas can help relax the muscles and alleviate discomfort. This is because magnesium is known to reduce inflammation and promote muscle relaxation. Another great use for magnesium spray is to apply it before bed to promote better sleep. We all know how important sleep is to our overall health and well-being. Using magnesium spray before bed can help you relax and prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. Magnesium is known to promote relaxation and calmness, which can make it easier to fall asleep. If you're feeling stressed out, anxious, or nervous, try applying some magnesium spray to your wrists or neck. The spray can help calm your nerves and bring you back to a state of relaxation. Magnesium is known to reduce stress and anxiety levels, so it's a great option if you're feeling overwhelmed. Using magnesium spray on your face can help with acne and other skin concerns. Yes, you heard me right. This stuff is amazing for your skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of magnesium can help reduce redness and irritation associated with acne. It also helps moisturize your skin and maintain its natural glow. So now that you know some of my favorite uses for magnesium spray, let's move on to the DIY magnesium lotion recipe. I am excited to share this one with you because it's super easy to make and it's totally customizable to your liking. To make the lotion, you'll need 1/4 cup of magnesium flakes, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, and 10 drops of essential oils. Optional, but I love adding peppermint, lavender, or eucalyptus. Let's get started. First, add the coconut oil and shea butter to a double boiler or a heat-safe bowl. Set over a pot of simmering water. Gently melt the oils while stirring occasionally. Once the oils are completely melted, remove them from the heat and let them cool down a bit. Now it's time to add the magnesium flakes. Slowly whisk the magnesium flakes into the melted oils until they are fully incorporated. Be sure to avoid getting any water into your mixture, otherwise your lotion may not solidify properly. Next, add your essential oils, if using, and give the mixture a final stir. Pour the lotion into a clean jar or container and let it cool completely. As it cools, it will start to thicken and eventually solidify into a creamy lotion. And there you have it. Your DIY magnesium lotion is ready to use. Apply it to your skin as needed throughout the day. It's important to note that homemade magnesium lotion may not last as long as store-bought lotions. I recommend storing it in a cool place for up to 3 months. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed learning about the many uses of magnesium spray, as well as how to make your own DIY magnesium lotion. Remember to visit our website for more amazing recipes and health and wellness tips. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried using magnesium spray or lotion? What are your favorite ways to use it? Drop your thoughts in comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative and inspiring content. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.